Okay, strobe comes on, transponder comes on as well, TARA, and there we are. Okay, the ride is clear. Okay, for the B front takeover, Smigo, the transponder is on, strobes are on, anti-ice is off, not needed, the heater is off, heading.
Is 26.
Check.
256.
256, nose wheel is locked, very good. Takeoff clearance is not applicable, and the nose wheel
Is locked.
check. Whenever you're ready.
Lifting.
No cautions.
Ja, der var lige nogen, der trådte på dig. Det er op til 3500.
7, yeah, 7 hours of stable. So let's say 70 and 7. Target.
3000 siger du.
5000, jeg vil gerne over til Billund.
Jamen så er Billund 127,580.
Power set. 50. Yep, nice. Ground speed 20. 25. Again. Power. A little bit down with the nose. Yeah, more power. A little bit more. 70. Yes, set. TDP.
Go.
VTOS. Check. VCOS.
Check.
200.
Here comes up.
Check. VY.
Check and select all the car ES and
That'll do it. Alright, direct 2.
Right, left turn out.
Ja, netjes.
Bluebell 101 identified, airborne time 55, report micro.
Identified, 55 Wilco micro, Bluebell 101.
5 of it. The gear.
Is up.
The brakes.
Off.
Compasses.
Back.
Yep, completed.
Check.
Almost wanted to say NR.
Yeah.
Almost.
Yeah.
Okay, passing 1,000.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 2,000 go on. I'll select 3,000. I asked for 3,000.
Yeah, check.
Yeah. Alrighty. Flag lap page, my sides. Turn the weather radar on.
Check.
Okay, weather radar is on. Tilt up. How's to go?
Check. Not captured.
Check. 100 to go.
11.
Good visibility though.
No.
Oh, no armrest.
Beetje aan.
Shit.
Zit je nou?
Bummer.
That's not Bluebell 101 approaching Micro.
Bluebell 101, roger, Copenhagen information, 124.0, so long, safe flight.
Thank you very much, Copenhagen 140, so long, Bluebell 101.
Copenhagen on set number 2. Yep, switching. Copenhagen information, good afternoon, Bluebell 101.
Bluebell 101, Copenhagen information, good afternoon, go ahead.
Good afternoon, with you 3,000 feet, 3 on board, passing Micro. Next opname via Doror, Epoxu en Indrip, destination Den Helder Echo, Hotel Kilo Delta. Standing by on the frequency.
Bluebell 101, you are identified and continue about 3,000 feet.
Identified, clear IFR 3000, Bluebell 101. Anything I can do for you, Michael?
Koffie?
Koffie?
Nee? Kan dat nou, hè?
Bummer.
Ja.
Hey guys, this is finally a time where I can talk to the camera instead of not talking to the camera. It's a bit of a strange flight because this is ferry flight. That means we literally transport this helicopter from our home base in Esbjerg to Den Helder. And I'm sitting with my dear colleague Michael, who maybe you recognize from some of my videos. He's from Rotterdam, his accent will tell.
Een rood brei.
But you even got our new flight suits. Look at that. Michael didn't even put his stripes on the end. I don't think he has them. I do. So new flight suits, brand new helicopter. We're flying in the 189 today, and we're bringing it to the Helder. 1.5 hour flight. And I'll just show you a little bit, because the 189 is more or less a big 139. Most of my videos are in the 139, but now we're in the 189. So bear with me. This is our main instruments panel, and of course the PFD, primary flight display, very similar than the 139, but this one, as you can see, has keys or push buttons, soft keys all around the screens, same as on the ND navigation display here as well, and it has more functions, so to say. So if you look here from the top, the power plant page, this is actually the same as the 139, or layout is more or less the same. But if we go to systems, we have a lot more. This is the hydraulics, same. Flight instruments, more or less the same. This is a new screen, at least this is not in the 139, which is an overview of the gearboxes, the temperatures and the pressures. And if there is something with the gearboxes, it will be here displayed as well. Then we have the overview page, which is different. So we have an engine side on the left, engine side on the right, and relative temperatures and the pressures, and an overview of the fuel, of course, total, and then in the aux tank on the left, main on the left, and the main on the right, and the aux on the right. So slightly different. This helicopter is equipped with an APU. Currently it's off, but the APU has is a third turbine, which is basically used for generating power and electricity. Next is the flight plan page. This is the page we're always at. A little bit more advanced than the 139, but overview is more or less the same. Then we have a video screen. Currently no external cameras are on, but this is where the external cameras are. And what we have here is the overlays, same as in the 139. So weather, tolls, etc. Currently we have the weather radar on, and here on the bottom I can tilt up and down with the weather radar. Well, currently it's beautiful weather, so there is nothing. But anyway, main instrument panel, very similar as the 139. As you can see, the FMS is slightly different. This is Rockwell Collins FMS, and in the 139 we have the Honeywell FMS. And the biggest difference, I think, is on the top, because here, as you can see, we have almost no switches, but these switches are now here. So they are digital, so to say. For instance, the light. Oh, sorry, let's turn down the radio a bit. Here, for instance, anti-collision light. So we don't have toggle switches, but it works like on is green, and if I want to turn it off, now it's off. On, off. You see that? So that's slightly different. So these are different switches, and they're all digital, so to say, same as the circuit breakers. Then we have our electrical panel, engine modes, exactly the same. Autopilot panel, more or less the same. And then this is our APU panel. Of course, the 139 doesn't have an APU. This one does, and it is a turbine in the middle between the big engines. We use it for starting up and for emergency electrical power supply. Then the heater panel, and the right side is more or less the same. This here is actually not only just to hold your hand, but it's also an interface. So I have a ball I can roll around, and with this I can, as you can see, toggle stuff on the screens on the right. So that's basically it, and as you can see, we are completely empty. So I hope you have a little bit of an overview of the 189. You'll probably see a bit more in the near future, me flying it, hopefully together with Michael.
Bluebird 101. Contact Bremen, control on 124.075.
Over Bremen, 124.075. So long, Bluebell 101.
Thank you.
Bremen, good afternoon, Bluebell 101.
Bluebell 101, Bremen identified.
Identified 101. This one doesn't have Gannet, huh?
Yeah, she does.
Oh, this one does have, okay, okay.
It's Mike Papa, she has.
Ja, exactly.
Nou, daar kunnen we even inloggen, hè?
Ja.
Kijken.
Captain.
Heb ik nog niet hier. Maar ja, hoe werkt dat? Weet jij dat? Ik heb geen idee, hoor. Ik wist dat het bestond, hoor. Ik denk, nou, ik doe even interessant, maar...
Gelukkig film ik niet.
Oké, nou ja, het bestaat. Ja.
101, contact Amsterdam FIS 119, that's no 175.
Searching Amsterdam, 175, so long, Bluebell 171. Amsterdam.
Ja, mooi.
Ja. Amsterdam, goedemiddag, Bluebell van 01.
Bluebell 101 Amsterdam, goedemiddag.
Goedemiddag, level 3003 on board. Currently en route inbound Xipka, thereafter Ulset payroll destination De Kooy. EHKD De Kooy is time 28, Bluebell 101.
Bluebell 101, no radar contact yet. The QNH not in order is 1000.
1000, no contact yet, 101. 1000.
Ja. Daar weer.
Ja.
Bluebell 101 for further contact Dutchmail 128.355.
Dutchmail 128.355, strand Bluebell 101.
Tot ziens.
Dutchmail, goedemiddag, Bluebell 101.
101, goeiedag, radar contact and identify the QNH 1007.
Middag, identified 1007, 3 on board, after Bodot. We have payload.
Altitude, altitude.
Copy, thanks.
Corrected, 1007.
Yes. 010, yes.
Toch?
Ja.
1503. Expect RNP Zulu approach. Runway 03. For arrival and departure.
03.
Runway condition dry. Transition level is 45. For status alert. Wind 300 degrees. 16 knots. Varying between 260 and 360 degrees.
Okay.
Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Real significant cloud. Temperature 10. 2.1. QNH 1006.
No significant cloud.
And now.
Nee. Oké.
Ja.
Wisseltje?
Ja, hij rijdt hem down.
Copy, Eindhoven arrival 14530. Bluebell 101, contact De Kooy arrival.
6 arrival erbij, Bluebell 101. Arrival, goedemiddag, Bluebell 101.
Bluebell 101, De Kooy arrival identified. Kneetje De Kooy van 006, de runway 03.
Identified 1006 for the runway 03. We have 3 POV. We are visual with the field. Request a visual, Bluebell 101.
3 POV copied, we ziet direct right and downwind voor runway 03.
Direct right and downwind for the runway 03, Bluebell 101.
Ja, direct Den Helder dan maar.
Ja. Direct toetje. Kooi.
Wat is
Dat 03 standby. Voor de tower. Spot hem aan. Bluebell 101 is ready for descent.
Bluebell 101, descent altitude 2000 feet, kneetje 07.
Descent initially 2000 feet, 1007, Bluebell 101.
2000. Okay, 2000 selecting reply.
Check.
Bluebell 101, contact tower 103, zero goodbye.
Selecting tower by Bluebell 101. The tower, goedemiddag, Bluebell 101. En de descent 2000 feet, inbound, right and downwind for the runway 03.
Bluebell 101, De Kooy Tower, goedemiddag. EHKD descent altitude 1000 feet, report right and downwind runway 03. QNH 107.
Descent 1000 feet, 107, report right and downwind for the runway 03, Bluebell 101. LT, select het maar op.
Altijd, capture.
Yes, you want to be force.
Go ahead and...
Before landing, this is the anti-ice. I turned off. The heater is off the radar.
Zo, lekker dive.
Is off.
Deselecting north.
Thanks. Yeah, to the port left. A little bit left. Yeah, right and downward for the 03. Okay, completed. Then we proceed. Michael, the landing briefing.
Ja, runway 03.
Yes.
Ja, ik doe wat je ook weer, shallow.
Shallow helipad?
Ja.
Copy it. I'll give you 50-20. Altimeters and a decision height.
One was 6, dus is
That was 7 now.
Oh, 7.
Ja.
Oef, ja. Dus is gaat naar
DH 200.
200.
Set by side. The compasses.
Back 227.
Landing lights.
Ja, die komt erbij. Oh, die staat erbij.
Check. Mine is on. The park brakes.
Is off.
And the landing gear.
Is down to green.
Confirmed. Spec brief not applicable.
Check.
Brief is completed. 100 feet to go.
Check. Perfect.
Windy.
Ja. Nogal.
Bluebell 101, joining right hand, downwind, February 03.
Bluebell 101, number 1 runway 03, the wind 300 degrees, 12 max 21.
February 03, roger, Bluebell 101.
Van mij, 1-2 knots, gusting up to 2. And direction 320.
Yes.
That's completely correct.
Bluebell 101, runway 03, clear to land.
Clear to line 03, Bluebell 101.
Clearance is in.
Check.
Alright, for the final 60 gears down, the brakes are off. Identify the Kooy. Clearance we have. Finals completed, and the radar is off.
150 feet.
LTV.
Running.
The gears down, brakes off. Nice crosswind.
Nou, ik kan wel even een klein beetje zeggen.
Yep, grab it. Those only 7. Nice. Beautiful. Yeah.
Bluebell 101, taxi approved.
Taxi approved, 101.
Touch the brakes.
After landing, brakes are checked.
Check after landings. Transponder. Stand by. And my light goes off. And you check the brakes. After landing completed. And the strobe goes off. Okay, landing time. Flight time 136, Michael.
136.
Yeah, for the check clock.
Right.
Clear left.